Presenting the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: auxiliary audio input, stability control, power door locks, locking limited slip differential, driver airbag, 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, and rear bench seat. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.